one. Number two, my name is Shea. I get the opportunity to host this channel and connect with all of you, and I just love it. If you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. What's up, family? How's your hair? How's your skin and everything? How do y'all feel about the content that I've been posting lately? All the things. Make sure y'all leave me feedback and comments and everything down below. Today we're gonna be doing a wash, stop, and go on my hair, y'all. Before y'all even come at me, I already know my hair is not looking so lovely right now. I know my edges are a little interesting. Y'all, this is, I promise, all a result of good sleep, y'all. And when I say good sleep, I mean a part of the peace ministry sleep. Like, this is a result of peace, okay? My edges are a result of peace. My bun going everywhere is a result of peace. Like, y'all, just trust me. That is what I got going on here, okay? But we are gonna get all of this together today. I am excited about this demo that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm, oh girl, so excited about wash day. Like, oh my goodness, like wash day is just a whole different ministry in itself. Like, your hair go from dry and frizzy and all of the things to, y'all gonna see the magic, okay, after this. Today, I'm going to be doing a demo using the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Conditioner, 100% virgin coconut oil. Y'all, I bought this on a sale, okay? Let me tell y'all about the sale, number one. So I got this one, and I got this one, and this one for $25.96. You know, and that's not even the best part. First of all, you get bonus 50% more. So this is like a double of what their original size comes in. This is a 19.5 ounce. And y'all know us with curly hair, we love our conditioners. Like, so I ended up getting 2 conditioners, and then I got 1 shampoo just because I don't shampoo my hair as often. For no particular reason, I just don't like to shampoo my hair every time. I mean, I could, but why? Anyways, y'all, the deal is so good because we get a coupon, you hear me? So not on top of that did I get the products on a sale, I got double the amount, and I got $6 back because each container had a $2 coupon. And you know, we like sales, so I don't know what I'm gonna use yet when I use my coupons, but I will definitely let y'all know what I end up buying with those coupons because I am gonna use them. We don't let no monies go to waste, okay? So today in my video, I am going to be using the conditioner product in my wash, and I'm gonna take y'all into the shower with me so that y'all can see how I'm gonna do my co-wash today. It's nothing too crazy or too in particular, but I will let y'all join in that process just because I am using a new product and I wanna see how that like kind of lavishes through my hair on camera, and also let y'all know. I know we all are probably a big fan of Shea Moisture products. I've used them for a very long time, and I kind of switch between, I know these are not all sister products that I picked up, but they are all a part of the same family, and so I have a good feeling that they're going to mesh pretty good and that they're gonna marry pretty evenly. And so I'm gonna be using that in some of my wash and goes, wash, stop, and goes, and I will let y'all know how that works on me. So with too much blabbering, let's get into the video. Okay, family, I wanted to hop on and do a voiceover for part of the time while I'm in the shower. I'm not going to do the voiceover the entire time, but I did want to give y'all some context as far as what I'm doing. Of course, I'm first starting off with just washing my hair and getting it prepped and ready for the products so that it's not in a dry state. I'm then going to go in with my conditioner, which is of course the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner that I spoke with you guys about. I do use a lot of conditioner like most curly girls. This is how I get my hair soft. Initially, I'm going to start off with just basically going through my hair and just getting it ready. This is more of a pre-process to actually completing the conditioner. I do a 2-step process.
This helps me go through the detangling correctly, but also making sure that my entire hair gets the product applied to it, including my roots, where you'll see in my second process that I'll do more of the cleansing aspect of the co-wash. So I'm going to allow y'all to watch this process, and then I'll come back whenever it gets to more of the detangling phase. Okay guys, now we are going to begin the detangling process. I'm using a wide tooth comb. Y'all have seen this one before. And I'm going to start at my ends and then begin working my way up. Again, remember that with curly hair or with textured hair, working your way from the ends upward into your scalp is the best way to do it to prevent breakage or any tension on your hair. I find that this works best for me, and it also retains my length that I have. And so I'm going to go ahead and complete this process, and then we'll finally move over into the actual co-wash, where we're doing more of the cleansing and cleaning of the scalp portion of this co-wash. Okay family, now that we have washed out the first amount of conditioner, I'm then going to apply some more conditioner so that we can do more of the co-wash process to cleanse our scalp. You're going to see that I am going to be doing a little like scrubbing to my scalp and making sure that my scalp is clean in this process. This just makes sure that while yes, we've done a co-wash, that we've also made sure that we've cleaned our hair entirely, but also then go back and cleanse our scalp. Of course, having a clean scalp is so important when it comes to so many health reasons, number one, but also the growth of your hair. And so you're going to see me do this process, and then after that we will be back at our normal location getting ready to get into the moisturizing portion of the wash, stop, and go. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that.
Okay guys, this is about 5 to 10 minutes out of the shower. I am going to unwrap my towel. My hair has some moisture still locked in, which I love about using the microfiber towels. Y'all, my hair feels really good after this co-wash using the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. That is a whole mouthful. Now my hair feels really good. So good. Now we're gonna get into the favorite part. For today's wash, stop and go, we're gonna be using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I really like this product in my last wash and go, and so I'm using it again. I have a spray bottle just because I know parts of my hair is likely gonna dry up. And I'm going to apply the Xtreme Wet Line Gel. As we know, we are a part of that ministry too, and we are not moving until something better comes along. And so I'm gonna be using that for the wash, stop, and go process. I'm gonna first start off with sectioning my hair into 4 quadrants. Y'all know I like sectioning my hair during this process.
Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time for that.
As you know, I like to split this section. Today I am going to be using the shingling method. I lied. Today I am going to be using the raking method. As y'all know, I really do like using that method. It elongates your curls and it also still keeps them defined, and it just adds more of a natural feel without the shrinkage for me. And so I am going to be doing that today. First, I'm going to take my brush and just kind of comb through those ends. And then I am going to apply my cream. I'm going to apply a little bit more for those ends. Then after that, I'm going to apply my Wet Line Xtreme Gel. Applying about that much. And then I'll begin raking. Okay, so I'm gonna do that process to the entire section, let y'all watch that, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that is the final add of product. Before I sit under the dryer, I'm going to carve out my baby hairs just to lay it down and make it look a lot smoother. I am going to sit under dryer with my mobile dryer. I've talked about this in so many different videos. If you have not seen it yet, go ahead and check one of my videos out where I am doing a wash and go. I'm pretty sure it's in there with detailed information. In the meantime, I'm going to start doing my makeup and just sit under here for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after that, I will come back to you guys with the final look. Hi guys, so this is the final look on the wash, stop, and go, and it looks incredible with the co-wash that I did using the Shea Moisture product. I'm gonna give y'all a full view. Guys, it looks so good. My hair feels super soft and moisturized, and this was pretty quick and easy to do, which I always appreciate. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe down below. And always